ASM Casting is India's leading manufacturer and exporter of aluminum and zinc pressure die casting components. ASM Casting was established in the year 2005 in the industrial hub of Faridabad, and within a very short span of less than a decade, it has made enormous progress to make a mark in the market. Company's state-of-the-art plant is spread over a sprawling area of 7,000 square meter, having facility of central melting furnace and nitrogen degassing unit. Unit is also equipped with 22 pressure die casting machines with auto label and auto spray. Having machining facilities like CNC, VMC and SPMs. ASM production unit also has in-house facility of processes like trimming by power press, fettling, lancering, buffing, vibro, steel ball burnishing,
dryer,
shot blasting. Vacuum impregnation, and powder coating. There is also a separate tool room area as well. ASM Castings also gives a lot of emphasis on minute inspection and quality checks of its products. It has full-fledged testing facility where different physical and chemical tests are done to ensure optimum quality of its products. High-end physical lab comprises of sophisticated testing equipments like a spectrometer testing setup and CMM machine, digital hardness testing machine, digital UTM. Even after testing, ASM Casting product goes through a rigorous physical inspection to ensure defect-free products ready to dispatch to client site. This level of quality in its product and 100% customer-centric approach results in ASM winning the trust of its valued customers all across the globe. ASM is certified by IATF 16949 and Z Silver rating certification by QCI. ASM is an environment conscious company having installed dust collection unit, ETP unit, APCM unit, PNG as well as a solar power plant of the capacity of 60 kilowatt. Apart from this, ASM organizes camps for planetation and other environmental activities. We at ASM always try that the link between man and nature must not be broken.